Hola! Ako si Dora. This is Boots and this is my cousin, Diego. Kanina pa kami naghihintay, pero bakit ang dilim sa bahay? Do you see the lights?
Dora, I think may problema sa meter. Look, the meter is not moving.
Oh no! Baka may lumalabag sa RA-783 ko.
Kaya we need to find out why.
Who do we ask for help when we need to find the right way?
I'm the mom. He's the mom. But he's the mom! We are the mom! Para maging maliwanag ang buhay, dapat legal ang produksyon ng kuryente sa ating bahay.
Let's talk about Public Act 7832, also known as the Electricity and Electric Transmission Lines Material Privilege Act of 1994.
This law protects our electricity from illegal connections, especially in the Section 2.
Bawal ang mag-tap na kuryente without permission from the electric distributor.
Para malaman kung may gumagawa ng illegal use of electricity, ay pumunta sa pinakamalapit na linya ng kuryente. Saan ulit? Sa pinakamalapit na linya ng kuryente.
So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa linya ng kuryente para malaman kung may gumagawa ng illegal.
Tara, samahan niyo kami.
Look! It's Jumper! Sinusubukan niya mag-install ng illegal connection. That is a violation of law under Section 2. Sabihin niyo kami! Jumper, no tapping!
Jumper, no tapping!
Jumper, no tapping!
Oh, man!
Good job, friends! Under Section 2 of Republic Act 7832, bawal ang paggamit ng jumpers o pag-bypass sa meter, tampering o pagkasira ng electric seals, at ang paggamit ng kuryente na alam mong galing sa illegal.
Dora, what happened if someone is caught?
Can you say prima facie evidence? Muy bien! Ang ibig sabihin niyan, kapag may nakitang jumper o sira ang meter sa bahay nyo, the law assumes na ikaw ang gumawa nito.
It's very dangerous. Maaari itong maging sanhi ng sunog at electric shock.
Last reason mayor or a penalty na kung saan magbabayad ka ng nagkakahalagang 10,000 pesos to 20,000 pesos or both at maaari ka rin makulong. Hindi worth it ang makatipid kung mapapahamak ang pamilya, di ba?
Tama! Kaya piliin natin kung ano ang tama. Yay! The lights are back! Brown out lang pala. Pero naiintindihan na natin ang Section 2 ng Republic Act 7832. Let's celebrate!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Lord is because we did it!
Napigilan natin si Jumper mag-tap ng wire. And we learned about the Section 2 of Republic Act of 7832. Hooray! Yay! Hooray! What was your favorite part of our mission today? I like that too! Everyone?
Illegal electricity use increase power costs for honest consumers.
It also creates serious risks like electrical fires and equipment damage.
Electricity theft does just not break the law.
It affects communities.
Slows national development. As the future engineers and professionals, integrity matters.
Connectivity and always
Hindi maging mabuting tao araw-araw.
Yo!